So the purpose of this video is to show you how to use and view the record book so you can see what your students are doing on Total Access Math. So from the teacher interface, I'm going to click on this button called View Record Book. And I can so my record book can be sorted by activity or by student. So if I'm going to click on any of these ones, it's going to show me all the students who have played these activities and all of the scores, and it'll break down into a lot of different statistics. For me, it might be a little bit more useful to go by student. So let's start off by student. So I click there, and the class name is Nussbaum Math, and the student I'm interested in, I think the one I've been using is George Washington. So I click See Records. No, that was the wrong one, evidently. Let's go back. Maybe it was Thomas Jefferson. Okay. So Thomas Jefferson, here's what I've done so far. I've spent 1 minute and 2 seconds on Ultimate Speed Math. I played that game one time. My last score was 13. My high score was 13. Currently, I'm ranked first in the class in this game. Ultimate Speed Math is impossible to have a grade level equivalency because there are so many different combinations of settings on this. Same thing with Mastery. The mode I tried was multiplication, one with all of the numbers. Okay? And so I scored 13. That means in 1 minute I got 13 multiplication problems between 1, where the factors were between 1 and 12, correct. Okay. So I also played Sushi Fractions. Here I played the game twice. I spent a total of 4 minutes and 16 seconds playing it. My last score was 6, but my high score was 8. My class rank is number 1 because I'm the only person in my class to have played this game. My grade level equivalency was 5.5, meaning I'm at about a middle of 5th grade level, and that indicates I have mastered the skills that are reinforced in Sushi Fractions, which is identifying and forming fractions. There's no mode to this game. And it says graph. If I click here, I can get a graph of, sometimes this takes a little while to load, I can get a graph of my progress. So the first time I played it, as you see right here, I scored 8. The second time I played it, I only scored 6. So it gives you a little bit of information about the trend. And so anyway, this is a very small record book right now because I've only been using one student for demonstration purposes. I've only played a couple times. If I go back, okay, let's try it again. Go back and I sort by activity, you can see the grade book looks just slightly different. I'm going to do that twice, I guess. And if I click on the Sushi Fractions game, you see it tells me what student played that game or what students, and it gives me similar stats. So anyway, this is a basic, this is one of the ways in which data is collected on Mr. Nussbaum Extend Total Access Math. The grade level equivalency and the master statistics are new. So I hope these give, I built these to sort of give teachers clarity on sort of where their students are in respect to the skills that are reinforced in the games. Anyway, hopefully that helps.